Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Celebrities questioned by NCB in drug case. Deepika Padukone. One of the leading ladies of Bollywood, Deepika Padukone got herself into a big trouble when her chats regarding drugs got leaked. NCB summoned this actress to their office for questioning, which shocked the B-town completely. The actress has not been given any clean chit yet by the NCB official. Shraddha Kapoor. When one of the house helps of Sushant Singh Rajput revealed that Shraddha Kapoor was spotted at parties several times, NCB summoned her. NCB questioned this actress of Bollywood for around 6 long hours before letting her go. Sara Ali Khan. This star kid even landed herself into trouble when it got revealed that she attended parties with Sushant Singh Rajput. The actress got questioned by the officials of NCB for more than 6 hours and is still not given any clean chit. Rhea Chakraborty. While investigating the case of Sushant Singh Rajput, NCB got their hands on the drug case and Rhea Chakraborty's name emerged. The actress was questioned and was even arrested and was kept under judicial custody before she got her bail. Rakul Preet Singh. Her name came up while NCB was questioning Bollywood actress Rhea Chakraborty regarding the drug cartel. This actress tried to avoid the questioning but was unable to do so and turned up at the NCB office for questioning. Bharti Singh. The laughter queen of Indian television, Bharti Quinn shocked the whole nation when her name came in this case. Bharti's residence and office got raided by the NCB officials and she was even arrested for the possession of illegal stuff. Arjun Rampal. Popular Bollywood actor's name cropped up into NCB after questioning his partner's brother in this drug case. Arjun along with his partner and his driver were questioned for this case by the NCB official. Harsh Limbachia. Bharti Singh and her husband Harsh Limbachia got summoned and questioned by NCB too for possession of banned stuff. They even got arrested and stayed behind the bars before the court granted their bail. Kshitij Ravi Prasad. Former employee of Dharma Productions, Kshitij Prasad got summoned by the NCB as a peddler, took his name during questioning. Kshitij was summoned and questioned by the NCB officials several times for another drug case too. Pritika Chauhan. This popular Indian TV actress who has done shows like Maa Vaishno Devi and Savdhan India. This actress also got summoned and questioned by the officials of NCB for buying drugs. Firoz Nadiawala. This filmmaker and her wife got summoned too in this drug case by the NCB officials. Firoz Nadiawala's wife got her bail later by a city court. Share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more updates from Bollywood.